How to change password on IC markets. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are trying to change your password for your IC markets account, first of all open the IC markets app or website and sign into your account. Once you're logged into your IC Markets account, from the home page, go to the top of the screen and tap on your profile, initial, and from the expanded menu, select Change Password. On the next page, enter your old or the current password in the first field for IC Markets. Now, go to the next field and enter a new password you want to change to. Finally, confirm the new password by retyping it again in the last one. Finally, click Update Password. Now you have successfully changed your password for IC Markets. Next time while signing in, make sure to enter the newly updated password. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.